Sunday, December 28th, I believe. It's in the afternoon. I've been around the house a lot, lounging all day, and I'm so excited because I just got my package in from Amazon. Literally just delivered a few minutes ago, and I want to share it with y'all. I can't wait. It is a jacket that I ordered from Amazon that I think is so chic and cute, and definitely something nice to wear to work or anywhere else for that matter. So this is my little Amazon package. Let's open it. So I hope this fits me the way I have in my mind. It's double bag, which is nice. Okay. This was delivered to somebody else, looks like. And then they decide, I guess that person returned it, and so they deliver it to me. That's very off-putting. Yeah. So, okay, we're gonna keep opening it. Okay, I'll show you me trying it on. 1 second. I have on these pajamas, so this is throwing it off, so I apologize. But anyway, this is the coat. It's supposed to fit oversized, so it has this weird shape at the top that I see. It's kind of like rounded. It is apricot and black, so it's not white, so it has this funny hue or tint that's throwing it off. So I think this in black and white would have been better because they had it in black and white. I should have ordered that. And the button that you use to like kind of button it on the inside fell off. In the reviews, it did mention that the thread for the buttons were very flimsy, so that review was absolutely correct. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It doesn't have that little short little belt like thing in the back to like cinch the waist that I typically like my coats to have, but I knew it wasn't going to have that. That kind of like gives you shape. So it's just plain in the back, but that's fine. I ordered this in an extra large. I should have went up to the next size up so it could fit better. It just has a weird shape at the top around the shoulders. Like it's as if shoulder pads were there and they removed them and your shoulders just went limp. So it's giving it like this weird look at the top. Like kind of like you have a hanger in your jacket and it's holding you up kind of weirdly. So I don't like that, but I'm gonna keep it. Like I'm not even gonna waste my time trying to, or maybe I should. Maybe I should get the black and white one and send this one back. I may send it back. I'll let you guys know what I decide to do. All right. Woo! Come how? Come say hi. Hold up your little bag.
Hi.
We just made it in from the Dollar Tree. Here, hold your bag. Tell them what happened to you. Come tell them what happened. They can't see you. Come up. It's windy. Tell them what just happened.
So we was going out of the Dollar Tree store. The wind was so...
Come up closer. We can't see you.
The wind was so hard. It was blowing me away. She had to hold my hand for me to not go away.
She's about to be blown away. Blown... What's it? Gone with the Wind. That's the name of the movie. Gone with the Wind. It's
Even
very windy out there.
If I opened the door just closed back up.
Yeah, it's very windy today and chilly. All right, we're about to go get something to eat. All right, buckle up. dust swept this patio and deck, and the wind just came through and said, absolutely not. Look at this, leaves everywhere, like I didn't do anything. Some days are like this though. You think you have everything together and life comes through with a gust of wind and says, try again. But you know, we try again, we breathe, and we keep going because it isn't about perfection. It's about showing up even when the mess comes right back. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Don't let this sweater fool you. I really need to be having something warm on, but I know I'm not getting out the car, so I'm just gonna make this real quick run on back to the house. I really want Dunkin' Donuts. I'll probably just make me some coffee later today when I get back to the house and just keep my little $7. Alright, just wanted to come check in with y'all. Bye. Hey y'all, so it is later Tuesday evening. It's probably after 6 o'clock. What I'm doing is I'm going through my closet, going through my work clothes just to take a look at what I have. I just purchased a few things from Fashion Nova that I shared in a past vlog, and I'm putting all that stuff on a rack because I was on Shein putting things in the cart, adding things to my cart, and I'm like, you know what, let me go and lay eyes on what I actually have, so I'm not buying unnecessary things. So I'm going through the clothes and just laying my eyes on it just to see what I think. So let me show you what I got so far. So this is my rack. This is the jacket that I just bought. And I just shared not too long in this vlog. Then some of these things, some of the stuff I bought from Fashion Nova is kind of mixed up in there, like this two-piece set, and then this turtleneck. But this is an old white shirt that I bought from TJ Maxx. I shared this shirt that in a couple of vlogs back that I bought from Ross. Yeah, so that shirt. And then these, let me stand up. So this is just everything, okay? So I tried to like organize them with the pattern shirts. I have to go back through and organize some more. But yeah, and then these here are the sweaters that I have. Yeah, I haven't pulled out any of the pants or the trousers yet, so I don't think I have too many of those. So I'm gonna pull those out and then put them on there. And then I'm just gonna use this for the week to like put my outfits together for the week and have them line up here. I'm gonna see what I gravitate for before I purchase anything else. So yeah, that's about it. Good morning, y'all. Happy hump day. Today is Wednesday and I'm up bright and early. Girl, it is not bright and early. I'm up, it's 11:15. I've been getting up like late, 9:30, 10 a.m., 10:30. Anyway, y'all, I think I showed a clip of my breakfast, but in case I didn't, let me show y'all again. Eggs, smoked sausage, a little piece of bread, and the tomatoes are the star of the show for me. Those tomatoes have salt and pepper on them. Chef's kiss. Don't sleep on the tomatoes with the salt and pepper. If you like tomatoes. If you don't like tomatoes, this means nothing to you. But try it. Just put a little bit of salt and pepper on it and just eat it. It tastes so good, so refreshing. Like, so good, so refreshing. I promise you, you're gonna like it. Promise you. Because I had this breakfast yesterday. I may have shown a clip of that too, where I had the eggs and the tomatoes, but I didn't have the bread and the sausage. I forgot I had the sausage in the refrigerator, so I pulled some out because I know baby girl loved it. So she has eggs and sausage. She doesn't care for, and of course the bread. She doesn't care for tomatoes and stuff. So I just wanted to come say hello, hi, and I'll talk with y'all later because ain't nothing going on right now, child. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey y'all, so we are out in the streets just for a little bit. I am on my way to the post office. I'm going to check my mailbox as well as I need to put something in the mail. So let me slow down because where I'm going, I'm speeding and the cops are rampant on this particular road. So let me slow down. But yeah, it is cold. Oh my God, it is cold. It's like 30 something degrees. It's freezing. I put on lotion, but I need lotion on my hands again. Oh, I took the nail polish off, the gel polish that I did earlier. It chipped, and then one of them chipped, and then I noticed that my thumbnail was completely gone. The polish on my thumbnail was completely gone. So I was like, okay. I was gonna do it over, but I was like, no, I'm gonna try a different color. So I just removed everything, and it came off so easily. I don't know what that was about. So I don't know if it's my technique that's the issue, or is it that particular gel polish that's the issue. I don't know. I did not put the base coat on there first before I apply the gel polish, so I'm going to do it that way this time and see if that makes it adhere better and stay longer. So we're going to try that. Maybe when I get back to the house, I'll probably do it because I don't have anything else to do. So yeah, so when I get back to the house, I may do that, or I may do it tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. How it depends on how I feel when I get back to the house. But yeah, so that's why that's gone. So yeah, let me just get onto this post office, and I'll talk to y'all a little bit later.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I could stare at you for 100 years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven.
So I came out of the post office and I ran in Aldi's real quick to see if they had like writing tablets, because I didn't feel like driving over to like Marshalls, TJ Maxx, those places. But no, they didn't have nothing. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, I'm going back to the house. So, quick little story time for the post office. Give me 1 second. Okay. Quick little story time for the post office. Went in the post office, went to the kiosk thing, you know, because I just needed a stamp to mail this off, right? Got there, used my card, paid for it, purchased the stamps. Stamps never came out into the little area where it's supposed to drop down to. So I'm looking. So I was like, oh, I gotta go to the line, go up to the employee. Went up there. So the guy, hey, I went to the kiosk, but I didn't get my stamps. He was like, oh, you gotta go and see if it's stuck. Sometimes it gets stuck under the thing. And I'm like, okay, but there was 2 people after me, so if it's stuck, I'm pretty sure it's gone, that my stamps are gone. So he's like, and he gets up from behind the counter to come check. And when I went there, there's already a guy standing there finishing his transaction. And I'm like, it's possible that it's stuck up there, but it's also highly likely somebody already took my stamps. So he went, and so the guy walks off, then he comes, he's trying to like the guy that works there sticks his hands underneath there to see if he can locate the stamps. Of course he doesn't. So then he has to come back and just give me the stamps. Like, why not just give me the stamps to start with? If I'm coming to you and saying it's not there, just give me the stamps. Like, why I don't know. Why am I telling y'all this? I don't know. But anyway, I'll just talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, Happy New Year. It is Thursday, January 1st, 2026. I just want to come on and close out this vlog, but not before saying Happy New Year to you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you consider subscribing to the channel as well, as I try to grow this channel and share a little bit more about my life. And yeah, so come along, join the little crew, the tribe. I don't know what to call us, child. Y'all give me some ideas. But anyway, thank you so much for being here, because you can be anywhere else, but you chose to be here with me. So thank you. All right, y'all. So see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.